Guys, today I'll show you how to make a paper 1x1. The first thing you want to do is get your 3x3 and place it on the paper. Then trace the cube. Once you do that, remove the cube from the paper and you'll see the outline. Once you've done that, cut the outline of the paper. It will then give you a square. Once you've gotten the paper, follow these steps. Fold the paper half. Then unfold it. Then fold this paper to this crease. Then fold the other one to its crease. And then this entire layer fold it this way. Then fold it back and then fold this to its crease. Fold it back, then fold this to its crease. And then fold it back. And then it'll give you this sheet of paper. And you put it to the side. Once you made 5 more of them, color them with these colors, which are also the colors of the Rubik's Cube. Then, once you've gotten all of these, follow my steps carefully. Take the white sheet of paper and the blue sheet of paper. Put the white paper like this and the blue one like this. Then turn the paper this way. And then take the red piece of paper and put it right here. And then you should have a bit of the cube done. Then turn it this way, so where the white is the opposite. And as you can see on the cube, the opposite of white is yellow. So you take the yellow sheet of paper and then put the bottom slip under this blue slip like this, like that, and put this one up over, causing us to make most of the cube done. Then you gotta do the top, and then the opposite of red is orange, as you can see. So then get the orange sheet of paper and then insert it into these holes we have. Okay, it's a bit difficult. There you go. And then insert the other one in. And then you completed most of the cube. All you have left is the green one. And the green one is basically the same as the orange one. You insert it one slip over here. And the other slip over here. And once you put them all together tightly, it now matches the cube. And make sure that the color scheme is right. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and happy cubing.